Hi, and welcome to your 3-Minute Daily. I'm your host, Rob Bob. There's a growing trend of coin hoarding. Why? Coinflation. What is coinflation? Coinflation is when a coin's metal composition is actually worth more than its face value. Today, we're going to talk about pennies and nickels. From 1864 to 1981, the composition of a U.S. penny contained 95% copper. But in 1982, that was changed by the U.S. Mint to 97.5% zinc and only 2.5% copper. This greatly reduced the cost to produce a penny, but it also greatly reduced its intrinsic value. As of March 2012, the value of a copper in a pre-1982 penny is about 254% of its value, or about 2.5 cents per penny, which makes it an attractive target for melting by people wanting to sell the metal for profit or to hoard as an investment. You can save these pennies. Every time you save a penny, you're actually saving 2.5 cents in metal. In nickels, let's talk nickels. The U.S. Mint specifies that a coin weigh 5 grams and be composed of 25% nickel and 75% copper. The current nickel melt value is actually 5.3 cents. Cost of producing and shipping a 5-cent nickel is actually 9.5 cents per coin. So we as taxpayers are losing money when we coin nickels. I get this info from Coinflation.com. So let's go to our start page, find your search bar, and enter Coinflation. The first results, Coinflation.com, you will click on that. And here I found this really handy metal calculator. This will tell you the value of coins that you may have in your possession simply by entering them in the calculator. So the government recognized this trend of coinflation, and they responded in December of 2006. The U.S. Mint actually introduced new interim rules which criminalized the melting and exporting of pennies and nickels. You can actually be subject to $10,000 in fine, 5 years in prison, or both if you're caught doing this. The Secretary of the Treasury does have the power to alter the composition of our coins if it's deemed that they're too expensive to make. So with a nickel currently costing 9.5 cents to produce, I think in the near future a possible decision could be made to change the metal content of a nickel, which means the old nickels will be worth a lot more, obviously, and we'll see a lot more nickel hoarding as well as penny hoarding. So is coin hoarding for you? Some really see it as free money, but you could end up storing those coins away for a long period of time, taking up valuable space. And there's also the factor of opportunity. What else could you have done with that money that you put into hoarding your coins? Here's a fun fact. Zinc, now the major component of a penny, is actually toxic and can be fatal to dogs. So let's go back to our start page and enter toxic zinc. Then click on the Wikipedia page, zinc toxicity. There you'll find a lot more information on toxic pennies. So that's all I have today on coin hoarding and coinflation. And in another segment we will discuss silver coins. Thanks for watching your 3-Minute Daily. I'm Rob Bob, and I'll see you next time.